Alright, so today we made a very big trip to Costco. You know, we're just getting all stocked up.
And I'm sick.
And you've been sick today. You threw up at school, huh? But check this out, guys. We got baby wipes. We got a whole freaking box here of baby wipes for London.
We got chocolate.
And we got some diapers here for London. So we're pretty prepared.
We prepared. And we
got some formula.
What's this?
Shampoo. So yeah, we're ready to go. And yeah, no, Leanna, come back with the chocolate raisins. Leanna, come back with the chocolate raisins. Those are not for you. Those are for everybody.
They're mine. They're mine now.
Oh, come on.
They're mine now.
Oh, hush. What's that banging?
I don't know. Nowhere. What the?
What? What? What the f are you doing to my wall, Leland? Hey, Leland, what the frick? Are you kidding me? You put a hole in my bedroom wall? Why did you do that for? Huh? Why did you do that?
Because I thought you were going to be Scrooge because of the wall.
What the hell, Leland? You put a freaking hole in my wall. Look at that.
And remember this time when I broke this wall and...
Damn it. Leland.
I did a third one because remember this...
Shut up. Give me that hammer. Go to your room. I'm tired of this crap.
You're screwed.
I want you to go to your room.
You're screwed. Now on.
I'm tired of this crap.
Screwed.
Leland? Leland, come on. Where are you going? I said you need to get...
His helmet.
No, give me her helmet. Leland.
No dicks.
Leland, come back here with that helmet. Leland! Gosh, you put a freaking hole in my wall. Put a freaking hole in my wall.
That's what you get.
Why are you on his side, Leanna?
Because I don't want to be on a good team. This is too much fun to be on a good team.
Ow! Leanna, no, you need to stay like a sweet girl. Leanna! Leanna, don't turn bad.
Lucky charm!
You can't turn bad. Hey, no, don't you start. God, Leland's a bad freaking influence, and now it's rubbing off on you. No, you need to stay a sweet little girl. Do not become like Leland. I can't deal with two of you acting like that. Where are the chocolate raisins? Put the chocolate raisins back.
Why would I? They're too good to resist.
No, I want those chocolate raisins back. Where the hell is Leland? Where'd he go? Leland, you are grounded. Come inside right now. We're gonna go to Home Depot. We're gonna buy some putty. We're gonna fix that wall. And you're gonna patch it up. Because I'm tired of patching up stuff. Leland! God. Leave her helmet alone. No, come on, inside. Leland, inside. Leland, I mean it. Okay, Leanna, I want the chocolate raisins back. Get your butt inside. Get inside. Go to your room. Stop hitting me. Go to your room. Go to your room.
There's nothing you can do about it.
You put those chocolate raisins... Okay, you put that hammer down. You give me back those chocolate raisins. God, you guys are both of you guys are being a brat today. Stop hitting me. I mean it. Stop hitting me. Stop. Stop hitting me. Now get to your room. Leanna, you get to your room too. Ow. Stop it.
Get out of here, you son.
Dad! Ugh! Ow! God! Ow! Ow! Get off of me! Oh my gosh, look at that. Freaking ridiculous, Leland. Freaking ridiculous! Freaking ridiculous! Leona, go to your room.
No.
Leland, go to your room.